I'll see what time it is, man. It's fucking snowing outside. Y'all know what time it is, man. Oh yeah, it's about that time, boy. Hold on. It's about that time for real. Oh yeah. Bring that motherfucker right back. Wait. Yes, sir. So we just got the new screen. I gotta take this one out first. So I gotta take this whole dash piece off to get to it. And then we're gonna try to install it. Hopefully I don't damage nothing, bro. I don't know how to take this shit off. All right, let me pick up the camera when I got it off. All right, we got the whole screen here. So I'm gonna take it in the house and do it because I don't wanna do it in the car. There's not enough space. So take it in the house and do it and shit. And see if it worked. I got the LCD in the house. Hopefully it's the LCD. I'm not sure, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. And this whole screen is jacked up from this glass to this. It's just, I don't know. So we finna see if it works. So I just separated the screen from this. And I guess you gotta just take out these screws. For the, I guess this is the LCD, I hope. No, this is actually the circuit board. I think that's what it's called. It's screws all over here. It's like 6 screws. So I'm about to screw these real quick. Then come back. I guess you gotta unplug these little bitches right here. I don't want to damage them. See if this flathead work. Oh my goodness.
But he does everything.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I really hope this for all the right shit. I don't know how to get that out. Yo, the screen that I ordered did not work because it was just the screen, like it was just the glass part. I need the whole little LCD and everything. So I'm finna go to this Holbrook right now and see if I can grab it. They said they had it for like 200, so I'm finna go grab that. Hopefully it's the whole thing. I don't know too much about the screen, so I don't know what part is which. So he said he had just the screen part. So I'm gonna just go see what he got. And if he got what I need, then I'm gonna copy it. If not, then we had to wait till they pick the part out though. They picking the part out the whip. And I gotta go pick it up right now. I just bought some time by running some errands. Still gotta run some errands. I need an oil change cause my shit due, almost past due. I've been trying to find ways to make my shit faster on YouTube and shit. Mostly everybody saying like get a coder intake and get the open diff, get some headers, some new headers and shit. That's the main one. Can't even spin without the traction show off. I always spin right here though because it's a lot of dirt. Hey yo, my axle fucked up for me doing that, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta get it serviced. I don't know if my axle fucked up or I don't know, I gotta check. Got the radio from Holbrook. It just don't have a screen on it, but I have a screen, so or a glass, not a screen. Car dirty as hell, man. About to get that oil change. dirty as hell though. Like the whole car. It's the winter, bro. It's stuck in the whole vehicle. He a real ass nigga, bro. Instead of him doing a tire rotation, he charged my warranty company for the windshield wipers. This nigga's smart. That's why I always come to this nigga to do my oil change. This shit looks so ugly, don't it, though? We got the new one right here, kid. That windshield wiper fluid light off. Nah, I ain't got no lights, no Christmas tree. Hold on. Change this motherfucker right here in the parking lot of Popeyes, cause I'm impatient. Yes, sir. That bitch came right out. Oh, yeah, hello. All right. Answer the phone. Fuck. Got that bitch in. Everything worked properly. You feel me? Hold on. Let me go to that. Everything worked properly. Oh, yeah. I can finally use these now. This one on low. Put that bitch back on high.
Mashed potato with that.
This nigga really thought it was homeless.
Somebody call the police. It's a homeless nigga trying to steal my food. Move, nigga. Get the fuck back. Get back. No, you can't have. You can't have no shame.
This nigga asked for. I'm scared of shit.
Please back up before I call the police. Anyways.
Yes, please.